Hi friends, today I want to show you this wireless portable food grinder that Amazon just sent me to show you. Came in this box. Here is the user manual. This is our food grinder. Came with this cable to charge it. It's type C. And here have this button to turn it on. Have this little screen that show you the level of the power. You can use one that is slower or two that is speeded. So came with these two accessories. The color. I'm gonna use the first one that is more soft, and you just put it there, and it's ready to use. I'm gonna turn it on again. This is the option 2 that is speeded. I'm gonna use it the slowest. And you can just use it in your feet right here. So if you put your accessory and turn it on, you just use it this way. I don't feel pain. It's comfortable. And as you can see, the results are great. I feel my skin more soft. So as you can see, this was so easy to use. The skin of my feet feels so great. I love it. And then you can just put it inside of the bag or the box that you want, because it's the smallest. As you can see, it's smallest than my hand, but the motor is so strong, high speed, and have a huge capacity. The screen is so helpful to know what level you want to use or it's more comfortable for you. And the change of the accessory is so easy. I love that came with two. So I highly recommend it for you and your fits. See you.